my only option was to perform in high school. We didn't have very many venues around, and that just kind of made it impossible for me to get my voice out there. Yeah, I've performed at some weddings, small stuff like that. But other than that venue that you're talking about, the Rover, that has been the only place that I've performed outside of high school. I've admired The Voice since season 1. I think what The Voice does with their contestants is amazing. I've never had much music opportunities for this, and so this was kind of my only option for me, and it's been a great one so far. Samson has been one of my absolute favorite songs for years. I can remember playing it back when I was a freshman in high school. It's just a song that is so, it's like a lullaby almost. It's very warm. It's a storytelling song. It pulls people in, and I've always admired Regina Spektor. She's been one of my idols for years. So I felt like that was the perfect fit for my voice and what my voice can do.